I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. So today I'm going to be reviewing one of the units I've seen a good amount of reviews on, but I just wanted to pick it up and try it for myself. This is the Outre Rylee Natural Deep Wave, and I got it in the color Natural Brown. It's a 13x4 lace frontal, 360 hand-tied lace edges. So this is what the stock card looks like. Let's take it out of the box and see what it's looking like. So straight out of the box, this is what it's looking like. It's a good length. Doesn't look like it comes with any baby hairs, but you can see that it does have the lace all around because it is a 360. So here's what the front hairline is looking like. The inside of the cap construction has 2 combs near the ears, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. So let me cut the lace off, try it on, show you what it looks like with the lace on. Okay you guys, so I cut off the lace all around. This is what it's looking like. I'm still not really the biggest fan of this boxy hairline situation. I may need to tack this down because it's kind of rolling up on me some. And off the bat, I don't know, I'm not positive. I mean, you could risk it if you have a bigger head, but it's not really giving me big head friendly vibes, so just beware of that. It's fitting really snug, and I do have a smaller head. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just add some concealer and see if we can get a couple styles going. Okay guys, so as you saw, this unit is really versatile. I like it a lot. I like the fact also that when I was doing all these styles, I wasn't getting any tangling or shedding. Like a couple snags here and there, because of course it's curly and synthetic, but other than that, I feel like it was perfect. I like the density a lot because it seems really natural, but it's nowhere near thin. So it definitely has a good density, pretty full. So this is what the length looks like. It goes right below my boobs. This is everything to the front. This is the side. And this is everything to the back. Yeah, so I definitely do like this unit a lot. I would get it again. And also I like the fact that when I kind of went in and did the baby hairs, even though I'm not the best at them, I like that it kind of took away from the initial feeling I had about the hairline, feeling boxy. I feel like the baby hairs sort of help make it natural looking and take away from that. Yeah, so I definitely like this a lot and I would get it again. The texture is, it's like borderline silky but also soft yucky. So it does seem like it, but I mean the feel of it, it feels like human. It feels like it would last a good amount of time. Maybe, I think putting some mousse over time to help sort of tame the curls would probably help, but as of right now, fresh out of the pack, all these styles and everything, seems like it's holding up really good and I like the style a lot. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked this video, give me a like, give me a comment, please subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.